250 and 109.
Yeah.
Both go to Croydon from
Yeah.
Brixton. One of them turns off and goes a bit. I was getting this one.
Yeah. Thank you. So I'm on the Arriva T132 LJ10 HUA. So this is going to be, we're getting withdrawn soon. It's going to be replaced by Electroliners soon. So while you're out and about and it's still around, catch one of them if you can.
Alright.
Yeah.
15 years old these buses are.
Yeah, it is. So they're gonna go soon.
Yeah. Soon to be on.
Well, yeah, exactly.
I think they came out, when did they come out? April 2010 or?
Believe it or later than that, but I'll have to double check whether it was introduced soon.
Got introduced 2010.
Yeah, exactly. Do you remember with the old Arriva logo, the orange one?
Yeah.
Like a chips.
Of course, yeah. The orange, yeah. I do miss that.
Like the orange chips rather than the white ones. A chips is a logo that next to the letter case
Like
of the old.
scribbling circle.
But
yeah.
now it's turned as a Christmas tree.
There's some scribbling circle.
What is this for? It's not even that Christmas. What's the point of having that logo for?
Stupid design, but I think the old one was better. I'll be real. Orange scribbling circle to come back.
Yeah.
It's never gonna come back.
Nope, it's not.
No, it's gone.
Because newer buses now, they have the new Arriva logo.
Yeah. Imagine in the future they change the new Arriva logo again. Wonder what they're changing.
I hope it'll be the same one as the previous one. That's what I'm hoping for, because I hate the new logo. The lower case.
As long as it's in capital writing, I don't care. It's just better than this.
It's after 3 o'clock. I can see all the school children chucking out.
Yep. School's finished.
Yeah, it is. So never film during school hours, because lots of them, some of them will be understandable, but most of them don't. They just do something that could be really serious, and never trust them, like I do. Never trust these all these school kids, because they just don't care about bus enthusiasts or people that like buses. They just make fun of you for no reason, and yeah, it's not going to end well. that's what I normally do. Just don't film during school peak hours. Just film outside of the work, because most of them will just be at home. Well,
yeah.
So yeah, guys, this is not long now until these T buses that are inserts to be replaced and withdrawn soon. Because these buses now, they're getting really old, and it's too old now to retain for the new line of contract on. So that's what it's going to do now. Some of them will be scrapped, some of them will just be sold to another operator outside of London, like these old Metroline TE buses, the other 100 Tridents. Some of them were scrapped, some of them were sold to New Venture. I'm not sure, but if it's New Venture or something, yeah, Cardinal buses, Hullies of Baslow, based in Sheffield, which is round near to Derbyshire. Well, actually in Yorkshire. And some of the work from Pottersburg there were converted to an open top bus and run as a sightseeing tour around Edinburgh in Scotland. This is what I can remember when Metroline withdrawn these in Father Hunter, the old T bus. No, the TE bus is the 58 wedge, 08 wedges, sort of the wedges, and then the 59 wedge was something that were based as first bus stop in Dartford, the red livery, and gocoach.uk, and then some of them, rest of them were scrapped, which is a complete shame. And the 55 wedges that were temporarily as a commercial were 84, which was used to be operated by Metroline, which runs between New Barnet and St Albans. And then I can remember back in like 2 to 3 years ago, the route got cut between Pottersbar and New Barnet, and Southern buses took over, which is a complete shame. So yeah, guys, do catch one of them, of the T buses, the Arriva T buses on the Route 250 if you can, because they're going to get withdrawn and replaced by the brand new Electroliners. That's what I've heard. So yeah, guys, that will end the video now. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the thoughts of your video what you think. Could it improve better, could it be bad, or it could be good? Thank you very much and goodbye for now.